Today I'm excited to show you how to set up our priority email queue. When our product first came out, we prioritized our emails in one job queue. Now we're taking that over and we're going to create three job queues so we can prioritize those more important emails to be sent and take priority over those less important emails. So those being your not your invoices, but your receipts and your portal notifications. Those are going to take precedence over collection notifications, which are considered normal priority. So how do you set it up? First, you want to go to iPayment settings. And if I scroll down the window, you'll see here we have one job queue entry. That's our legacy job queue. To toggle on the new series, what we need to do is go up to click the pencil icon. And then from there, all we have to do is choose on or toggle on the priority email. And it's going to say, do you want to set the old job queue on hold? And we'll say yes to that. And then do you want to open the new job queue priority setup? The top gives you some descriptions of what's going on and what this job queue does. And then we're going to get into the settings for each of the priority limits. So the high priority are going to be your receipts and your portal notifications. The normal priority are going to be your collection notifications. And as mentioned, we don't have anything yet that would fall under our low priority limits. We do expect that there will be something that might fall into that in the future. So by default, we choose to do a high priority where we're going to run the job queue every minute. So it's going to check to see if there's an email that's a high priority, which is a 1 or a 2 status to be sent. If there's nothing, it's going to not run anything and then just check again in another minute. These settings can be changed. Most of the time, I like to set my interval at 2 minutes so that it will check every 2 minutes. And the maximum number of emails by default it's going to send when this queue runs is 100. I'm going to lower that down to 50. Um, and then for the processing time, it's going to process for 1 minute. So what that does is it's either going to send 50 emails and stop, or it's going to run for a minute. If in that minute it doesn't get done with those 50 emails, it's going to try again in 2 minutes and then start processing again and finish the rest of those emails. So you'll want to set this up according to your guys' needs. There's probably reasons why you might want to increase or decrease the intervals depending on the number of priority emails and normal emails. For the collection notifications, I just have that set to run every 5 minutes. It's going to send a maximum number of emails of 500, and then after that, it's going to just process every 5 minutes. So again, adjust this accordingly to your needs. The low priority ones, there isn't anything that needs to go in that one yet, so you can skip that one for now. You also could probably just toggle it off if you wanted, but in the end, it's not going to do anything anyway. The last thing that you want to do is set the job status to ready. So when I toggle that on and click OK, I'm going to get a notification that says you have turned on these three new job queues. So if I click OK, I can go see those three job queues just by coming down here and then clicking on the three job queue entries. And there's my three job queues. You can see the priority in the priority column, high, normal, and low. If I go back, there are also ways to get to the email queue up here on the menu bar. You can click email queue, you can view the queue and what's queued up. You can also go to the queue and then set up the standard email, and this is where you could make adjustments. And then get to the entire setup window as well. Thank you for joining us today.